Mercedes Benz, altıma versene Mercedes Benz. Çektik bin türlü.
So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to change your roof lights on a Mercedes Benz from your regular yellow lights to LED lights. And the only thing you're going to need to actually do this is something flat. You can use a bank card, or you can use this, as long as it's flat. So all you're gonna do is right here, you're just gonna push it up, and everything should just come down. And all you can do is just pull it down, and you see both of the light. So you have one right here, and then you have one over here, and I don't think there's any in the front here. That's it. So it's one here and one on this side. So all you're gonna do is just turn it. This is pretty hard to do with one hand, but it's doable. There you go. So all you have to do, just take out the other one, put your LED. It doesn't matter how you actually put it in. There's no special way to put it in or anything. It goes in anyway. Then you just pop it back in and spin it back to the opposite direction that you took it out. Once you spin it, it's gonna stop itself, so you can't make a full 360. And just do the other one. And just pop that one out, pop the new one in. By the way, there are some little iron on both sides, right here and right here. Those have some little grooves that they go in. That's how it locks when you spin it. So all you're gonna do is find those grooves and make it spin, and that's it. Then all you're gonna do to close it back is just push it up until you hear it click. And there you have it. So that's how you change your front roof lights on a Mercedes Benz E350. It's the same thing for the C classes as well, and the same thing for the E class. I think it's the same thing for most Mercedes. Once you have the roof lights that look exactly like this.